Welcome to CHF Informations. According to the Bloomberg Billionaire Index, Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani is the 12th richest person in the world as of April 25, 2023, with a net worth of $81.7 billion. Ambani, who owns the world's largest oil refining complex, also owns the world's most expensive private residence. Antilia, Mukesh Ambani's home, is located in Mumbai. Altamount Road, Kambala Hill, Mumbai. The exact number of rooms in Antilia, which is designed to fit nearly 60 floors but only has 27 with extra high ceilings, is unknown. Only in late 2011 did the Ambani family move into the Ambani house. Mukesh Ambani's primary residence is befitting of a man who is currently the second richest man in India. His house, Antilia, is fit for a man who is among the world's wealthiest. On the outside, the multi-million-dollar, customized skyscraper dazzles onlookers with its sheer size. Antilia is the world's second most expensive billionaire residence. Antilia, the most valuable property after Buckingham Palace, the home of the United Kingdom's royal family, was valued at more than $2.2 billion United States dollars by property surveyors in 2020. While there are no exact figures, it is frequently reported in the media that Antilia's maintenance work requires an expenditure of 2.5 crore rupees per month. Mukesh Ambani's home is valued at approximately 15,000 crore rupees in Indian rupees. According to property surveyors, the Antilia per square foot price ranges between 80,000 rupees and 85,000 rupees. Mukesh Ambani's house, located on Altamount Road in Kambala Hill, is named after a mythical island believed to be in the Atlantic Ocean near Portugal and Spain. The luxurious 27-story cantilevered Ambani house is spread across 400,000 square featuring in Mumbai, a city notorious for space issues, making it one of the world's most exorbitantly priced housing markets. The construction of Ambani House Antilia began in 2004 and lasted 7 years until 2010. However, the Ambani family only moved into the Ambani house in late 2011, fueling rumors about Vastu-related issues. Ambani hired two world-renowned US-based firms to design and build Antilia, the Chicago-based architectural firm Perkins Amp, Will and the Santa Monica-based interior design firm Hirsch Benner Associates. Neeta Ambani, the family chatelaine and philanthropist, was heavily involved in the design and planning of Antilia and was responsible for bringing both companies on board. Despite the fact that the overall architecture was inspired by the sun and the lotus, both companies worked hard to ensure that no two rooms in the mansion looked the same. Antilia is a 27-story structure, but the high-ceiling glass tower elevates the mansion to the height of a 60-story structure. The 570-foot mansion towers over most nearby structures and can be seen from afar in all directions. Antilia has 3 rooftop helipads, a 6-floor car park that can accommodate 168 cars at a time, a 50-seat movie theater, 3 floors of Babylon-inspired hanging gardens, a yoga studio, a fitness center, a ballroom, 9 lifts, a swimming pool, a spa, a health center, a temple, a snow room and housing for 600 maintenance workers who live on the property. Mukesh Ambani's mansion is constructed and designed in such a way that it can withstand an earthquake of magnitude 8 on the Richter scale. According to LiveMirror.com, Mukesh Ambani's Antilia employs approximately 600 servants. Mukesh Ambani purchased the Antilia plot in 2002 for $4.4 million United States dollars from a Muslim charitable trust that ran an orphanage in another part of town. Following the sale, a controversy erupted over Ambani's purchase, with the then Maharashtra Waqf and Revenue Minister, Nawab Malik, claiming that the land owned by the Waqf board had been put up for sale for the education of underprivileged Khojar children from the Nizari Ismaili Shia community. Other critics claimed that Mukesh Ambani purchased the property at auction for a much lower price than the market value of the plot. Finally, Mukesh Ambani was able to obtain a no-objection certificate from the Waqf board for the plot, and construction on Antilia began. Chicago-based architectural firm Perkins Amp, Will and Santa Monica headquartered interior design firm, Hirsch Benner Associates designed Mukesh Ambani's house Antilia. Australia's Leighton Holdings has constructed the building. That's all we have for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.